Hi everyone and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. In this video I'm working on a drawing of The Iron Giant, and it's such an amazing film. It was released in 1999 and the animation is so beautiful. The Iron Giant as a character is so lovely and gentle and kind, and I love one of the messages in the film that you are who you choose to be, and so that's why I really wanted to attempt this drawing this week. As you can see, I decided to use Greyboard for this drawing as I really wanted to push the highlights. Then to add the ink outlines, I was using a mixture of a Copic Multiliner SP 0.03 and a couple of Pigma Micron pens, those being 01 and 02. Then, when it was eventually time for me to add the colouring to the Iron Giant, I used Copic Markers, starting off with cool greys, then blending into a black marker for some of the darker areas of shading. For the coloured section at the centre of the drawing, I used Buttercup Yellow and Crimson. Then for any highlights across the whole drawing, I used a mixture of a white Prismacolor pencil, a white GellyRoll pen, and a Uni-Ball white ink pen. I love this character and the film, and I'm so glad I finally gave this drawing a try, and I really hope you enjoy watching this video. Towards the end of this drawing, as you can see, I added layered shading to the forest using Cool Grey 7 and Cool Grey 3. Then I added highlights with the highlighter pens to show the moon shining down and brightening up the top of the forest. Then for the moon itself, I added bright highlighting with the pens, and I tried to add some craters and some more detail to the moon this time, and that was really fun. Then I added a couple of highlighted layers of clouds in the background, and then finally I added some light shining down from the moon with the white Prismacolor pencil, and I added some stars in the sky. Then after that, this drawing was completed, and overall it took about 7 hours to complete, and it was super fun to work on. I'm so happy that I finally tried a drawing of the Iron Giant, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. So please let me know what you think of this, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.